Hello, my name is Candelaria Gomez. I study on the university and the National University. Hello, my name is Candelaria Gomez. I am studying on the National Open and Distance University. These were in the vacation, and my went with my house and my children to the Tiro Park located in the Santa Marta. We enjoys its beautiful and landscape is a city of ice catching views. My New Year's vacation. My New Year's in the vacation. My New Year's in the vacation. The end of the year is good always. Is we travel with my children and my husband to a family reunion on the Tolu Sucre. They will enjoy family harmony and they sustain my visit. Thank you. Thank you and see you later.